Hey guys, so I just hopped on here because I'm on my way to school, and so this will be my second day. I didn't really do film the first day because I was trying to get a feel for uh, the school, the students, the educators, and things like that. So I don't think we can film in class. If there are times that I can film, I will. But I just wanted to hop on here. Most likely I'm gonna be at school early, so maybe I can kind of give you guys a tour of the school or let you see, certain things. This probably gonna be like a very short vlog, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys um, the school and everything like that. My locker, just certain little things, but like I said, today is day 2 for us. Today we get our kits, so you can definitely, I will be adding that into this vlog. I don't know if we can do it, if we're going to go through it in class or if it's something we go through at home. Either way, I'll show you guys my kit and what is included in everything. So yeah, so I'm about to head to school, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Okay guys, so I made it to school, and as you can see, I'm in the parking lot. I got here like an hour and 5 minutes early, so I'm still trying to judge time. But yeah, I'm about to just chill for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna go in at 8:30 because they said we can clock up to like an hour early, but the time won't start generating until 9 o'clock. So I'm a person, I just like to get here early. You just never know what's happening on the roads. So I'm about to vibe out to some music, and yeah, I'll show you guys once I get into the building. Hey guys, so I know it is days later. I have finished my first week of class, which was great so far. But I just wanted to hop back on here so I could show you guys my kit. I didn't want to forget to do that. So I'm about to just run through everything really quickly. So I'm gonna just go by what's right here. And so we do get the Aveda water bottle. This is a cape. So I guess we'll be using these once we get to the makeup portion. This is our apron. I don't know if you can see the name on my light, maybe a little bright. But this is the apron. This is when we go into spa, or when, you know, spa area to do the facials and things like that. They give us these little, I think these hold like our brushes, our facial brushes, cosmetic brushes. So they give you these. Well, it says on these are the Aveda Arts small clear totes. So you get 2 of these. This is the, I think this is what holds like the brushes. And it has a zipper. This is another little clear tote. And then we get this spa headband. So they say we can use these when we go to spa, because of course we're going to be doing each other, so we can wear our own spa band. But they do have some in the spa area if we choose to just use what they have, or we could use what was given to us if we want. So they gave us this bag. It says Passion into Purpose. So we get the aesthetic kit. I'm sorry, my light is just so bright. So we get the kit, and this is a 6-piece kit. We get, this is a continuous spray bottle. So they said we'll be using that when we go to spa as well. They gave us these scissors for when we do the brows. They gave you this paddle brush. Now they said we can use this when we're doing, when we're in spa and you want to give the client a scalp massage. You can use this, or we can just use this for ourselves. So they give us 2 jade rollers. They give us this, and we can use this for ourselves. They give us this Foot Relief Moisturizing Cream. And then they give us this hand cream. Now, all of this stuff is, of course, Aveda products. Their products are vegan. This smells good. Their products are vegan. They make their own, pretty much, everything. We get some makeup brushes. And we are missing a couple things that we're supposed to be getting this week when we go to class. These are some spa brushes when we're doing our facials. And these are some exfoliating brushes that we use in spa. A lot of the stuff we're going to be using once we get to spa. This is the body brush. So if you're doing like someone's back, you can use that. They give us these little bottles here that they say we can put our oils in when we go to spa. And these are our facial bowls. And they give you 3 different sizes. So I need to keep those out because we have to have those for class tomorrow. A foundation brush. We have 2 sets of bowls. Same, 3 different sizes. kabuki brush. And I believe that's it in this bag. So we do get the Aveda book bag. Of course, I already have my schoolwork and stuff in it, but you get, of course, the backpack area. You got the front. So they do give you 2 of these pens. It has a stylus on the end, but it also is a pen. They give you 2 of these. They also gave us this little Aveda lanyard, and I just got my locker key on it. So they did give these are like some chakra cards. Different chakras. Different. They give you 7. So, excuse my dog. Oops. And they gave this book as Life as a Daymaker. So I haven't read this yet, but I do want to tap into it. It looks pretty interesting. Every Thursday, they do they read Daymakers from guests that guests or other classmates. If you wanted to write something for someone that inspired you, that helped you, anything, you know, anything positive. They're all about positivity there. You can write a Daymaker for your classmate. And also the guests can make Daymaker stuff for you as well. So this is our workbook or study guide book, but I call it our workbook. You can write in it, take notes. Everything is pretty much in this book. So far we went over mind, body, well, health, body, and mind. We've done this one. So as you can see, I've wrote in it and filled it out. We just went over ergonomics, about, you know, the body and things like that. So did that. So we'll be working out of this. The infamous Aveda iPad. You do get to keep this. Mine is off because I just charged it and just turned it off. So I just have a full charge for class. But we do work on here as well. We watch our, if you go to the website for school, you can find all your work, study guide, workbook, work slideshows, things like that. You do quizzes. Everything is pretty much on this iPad and on the website for school. We got our first test Saturday coming up. I believe that's the 6th. And I'm super excited. I think I'm going to do great. So the last few things I have to show you guys, when we get to waxing, and these popsicle sticks, wax sticks, whatever you prefer to call them. This is the mirror. This is the mirror. We get, this is the eyeglass bracket headband. So we get to use this when we go do like waxing, facials. I think mainly facials, so you'll be able to see closer up on the skin. We do get this makeup bag. And we get, this is a sterilizing tray. When we do the facials as well. We have some silicone facial brushes. And we have this little spa tray. And then we have our bows. And they're like 3 in each packet. I don't know if it's these brushes we supposed to bring to class or these brushes, but I'm just gonna bring both because I'm not quite sure which one she wants. But guys, that's pretty much all that was in our kit. Again, we do get like a couple more brushes that they're going to be giving us this week, but this is it. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.